Hytech Didactic AMR Training cell is designed to provide hands-on experience to students on industrial AMR applications and its integration with industrial automation components such as Cobot, PLC, HMI and Vision System. AMR is equipped with a Lidar sensor and programmed with ROS. Automation Station is a separate unit which is programmed and operated with Siemens PLC and HMI. AMR is mounted with a 6-axis Cobot and a vision system for efficient pickup of jobs. This setup is integrated with Mechatronics Concept Designer software for remote commissioning and process simulation using digital twin. Automation Station is a Mechatronics-based station designed to carry out color-based and weight-based sorting of components. Once the sorting is completed, AMR is supposed to transport sorted job to desired position with the help of Cobot and Vision System.